Hey guys, Moss50 here, coming yet another unboxing for you guys, this time of PokeDog Zero, the steelbook, which I previously had, but I think I traded it in like shortly after I got it because I didn't really find that interesting. Yeah, the steelbook looked pretty nice and it's like £3. I forgot I ordered it actually, but yeah, it's like £3 from Game, so pre-owned obviously, but still. Make sure you guys can see that properly. It's kind of hard to get a good angle. But yeah, I don't know. Let's see, I guess. Okay, then we get one of these stupid ass stickers that Game always putting their games off. Didn't get that off with one hand. If not, I'd just put you down for a second. Okay, so there's the actual case, which is one of like the heaviest steelbooks I've ever fucking held, but oh well. It's back. That's actually pretty nice. Reminds me of a scene from Star Wars Episode 2 actually, but yeah. Side. Okay. Let's open it up. And there's 2 discs, so I guess the DVD's here, which is nice. Don't know which is which. Yeah, this is the bonus DVD. That's pretty nice. And it's a different kind of steelbook to what I usually see. So yeah, there's the actual game. Okay, that'd be the fucking pretty damn hefty manual that's in colour. Wow. Back when things were in colour. This, oh, they have got a comic book, that's nice. Didn't expect them to. Sorry guys, can't see that, can you? Yeah. It does have a comic book, that's pretty nice. I'm not saying guys, it's really too silent for a minute. I was going to get the piece of shit out of the way. Okay. And it's got Doug Life, so yeah, everything that's meant to come with it came with it, which is extremely weird considering how old this is. But yeah, that was nice. So that's a nice surprise. Everything actually came with everything that that came with at retail, and it's like about 7 years old now, I believe. So yeah. So yeah guys, that was a quick unboxing of the steelbook of PokeDog Zero with all the contents, which is surprising. So that's pretty much it. Moss50 signing out.